Hi, in this instructional video, I'm going to show you how to upload data into the Safe Water Optimization tool, the SWOT. We can access the tool itself from the safeh2o.app page via the link here. If you already have login credentials, then you can log in using the button here. If not, please navigate to the register page, fill out the details, send us the message, and someone will email you back with login credentials. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to use my login credentials. Now we can see that the top ribbon of the tool is populated with various links, and for this instructional video, we are going to follow the upload link here. So the first thing you see, there are various checks to be made to your data set. We've covered these in the previous video, but please make sure that all the required columns of data are filled in the correct format, taking particular attention to the date time format if you have entered the data manually. The data set needs to be saved either as a CSV, XLSX, or indeed XLS file. The data set should have a descriptive name that just makes it easy for you to find for the upload. An additional description will be added once you prior to submitting the data for upload. I'll show you that. You will also get to assign the data to a project site. To actually upload the file, there are two methods. You can drag and drop into this yellow box here, or click on the button choose files to upload. That's what we'll do here. So we can see there are two here. One is the data input template, which we covered in a previous video, and this is the data set that we're going to upload. It's a data set over 2,000 paired sample measurements from a site in Bangladesh. We double click on that. The data takes some time to, okay. We get to add a name to this data. So we'll call it BGD1 and the description, test data set. The date and time is automatically chosen, but of course you can change that if you want to. Depends if you have received data from the field and it's taken some time to complete the spreadsheet and upload it, and you want to put the date that you receive the data, you can do that. Then there's three important rows here. One of them is maximum duration of household storage. So of course this is specific to the site that you're working at, and you should have gained some knowledge about this site and the water storage habits across the site. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to use a figure of 12 hours. The next line, you get to choose the confidence level of the data. As default, we can choose here just the optimum one. And then in the last box here, if you have multiple sites registered to your account, they will appear here. For the purposes of this, we're stuck with test site. And then after you've completed that, press save here. Okay, so your file has been submitted for processing. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to retrieve the results, and we will also be looking at those results and the output as well. Thank you very much.